So, have you ever wondered how a non 3D artist makes 3D images on an online platform? Well, let me show you. But before we do that, down in the box, there's a video that shows you exactly how to use this tool from front to back. It's an in-depth tutorial. There's also a video that shows you how to customize the images as well. All right, so let's pull up a prompt here. Go here. Let's just go with the first one. We're going to go in no particular order, but just for organizational purposes, let's start with the first one here. Okay, so it has everything we need. Of course, it has our nouns, it has our actions, and it has styles. Okay, let's hit create. Okay, that's not bad. Let's click through these real quick. Take a look. Nice 3D. That's nice. Not bad. Download and save. I'm not going to lie. I'm probably going to have so many photos. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. Let's recreate it. Okay, that pulled up a solo image there. That's not bad. You know, I've noticed that working in Microsoft Designer, since they have the cheat code of DALL-E 3, they tend to never miss in terms of any type of prompt I put in there. If it's what I'm looking for, but it's also nice, you know, fingers aren't missing everywhere, or you know, eyebrows to the left or to the right, too far, etc. They usually do very, very good prompts. I believe it's a good 90%. And that's why I like using this tool here. Okay, let's try a different prompt. Let's do basketball. Okay. That's good. Nice 3D. Not bad. Not bad. And see, also the idea here is to not make it look realistic. We're going for more of the animated type of style. For these particular prompts here, all these are usable. AI doesn't have an issue at all of doing the animated style art. Okay, let's try a different prompt. The third one down. Okay. Look at this. That's good. You know, here's a cheat code for the people that post the digital art on different platforms. This is a cheat code. You know what you would have to do? Just take the background off this photo and upsize it, and you're done. Simple. This is the cheat code. This is the cheat code. You know, we are in the information era, guys. Industrial era, we're moving out of that. This is the information age, guys. So people are going to not only compound their revenue and their resources, but they're going to make it more quickly as well. All these are good. Let me see. All the fingers are there. The eyes aren't blotchy. Looks good. Let's go to the next one. Look at this. The people that upload photos online, just your cheat code. See that? Not bad. Okay, let's try a different prompt here. How about this right here? Hit create. Not bad. Microsoft Designer is not good at missing. That's for sure. Look at this. They don't miss, man. They don't miss. Hit create. Look at this. And quite frankly, I don't know why I don't see more avatars. I mean, especially like on people's profiles. I don't know if I saved that twice, but oh well. Okay. Those are good 3D depictions. Not bad at all. I think I'm going to request a feature. I'm pretty sure they're working on it. As a matter of fact, I can almost guarantee Microsoft is working on it. But what we need is we need image to image. And eventually videos coming down the line. So let's run this prompt again. That's something. I mean, you can use these for your thumbnails, anything you like. The possibilities are endless and limitless as well. Okay, let's try another one here. So let's see. Let's do this hyper real. Looks like this would be in the style of a miniature here. Hit create. Okay. That's actually stepping over to more realism here. I guess the part of the prompt, hyper realistic, gives it more of that. It's stepping out of the animation more into the realistic zone there. But all in all, they're not bad. That has kind of the miniature vibe to it, or what people would call tilt shift. It's not bad. Those are good. I usually, when I first look at these prompts, the finished product, I look at how the fingers are. That's one of the first things I go to. How does the nails look? How does the fingers look? And then I'll look at the eyes. Make sure the sclera, the white parts of the eyes, is not kind of blended in with the pupil parts and the other parts. Make sure that is correct. If AI gets that right, the rest of the picture looks good. It's the small details that matter. Got the small details correct, you're golden. Okay. Let's do another one real quick. Hit create. Wow, some more good 3D prompts. I like this style here. I like this style. But let's see. That's good. That's good as well. That wouldn't work. That's good too. It reminds me of a doll. I don't know if you guys ever seen like them little porcelain dolls that have the very, very fine paintings. That's what this reminds me of. Okay, let's try another one. I try to do these prompts to where I make them from all different walks of life and all different cultures. So that way give a like a contrast and see how AI sees it. So that's the method there. Let's see, what was that one? So let's do this one here. Hit create. Bumper sticker. That's a bumper sticker right there. I'm saving that one. That's good as well. So I searched the internet and found these prompts, and it looks like I've generated some of these before, so I know what to look for. But these are some of the better 3D prompts that I've found. So that's not bad. The depiction is real life. That's pretty good. Let's try that one again. That one's pretty cool. This time, let's put her in maybe a pink suit, maybe. Let's see what that does. Woman in a pink business suit. Hit create. Okay. Yeah, she looks mad. Okay, yeah. She's for you gentlemen out there, if your woman looks like that, man, you might want to stay with your friend that night, man. Yeah, you might want to either that or the doghouse. Okay. It's not bad, not bad. Let's try another one real quick. Hit create. Okay, pretty cool. That's more on the realistic side. Let's see. Once it says masterpiece or realistic, that pushes it more away from the animated part. But those are pretty good. I was maybe focusing on the hair color on that prompt is what I was generally looking for. So that works. That works. The amazing tools at our disposal these days. And like I always say, AI is here to stay, and also it never ceases to amaze me. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, the age of AI is very pronounced. It's interesting how it took us maybe 100 years to go from steam engine to XYZ, but it's only taken months or less than 5 years to go from Will Smith eating spaghetti to Sora and the likes of Sora. Now we have other tools that really make those look like preschool. So it's a different world we live in. It's a very, very interesting time to live in and to be in. So I would say, for anyone that's people may be skeptical about AI, but if I were you, I'd embrace it because, just like we had coal, we moved from coal to gasoline, from gasoline to XYZ, and now we're at solar. So, times change and things do change. So embrace the future. We are in the future. The future is not tomorrow. The future is now. So it's very interesting. So there it is, guys. A great way for non 3D artists to make cool 3D images online and for free. That's it. That is it. And like always, until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Wait a minute. Before we get out of here, though, all of the prompts are down in the description. So let me know what you come up with. Till next time. See you in the next one.